The event was a sewing workshop, and the idea was to get people to come together and learn a little bit about like mending and upcycling their clothes. The idea that these are like some simple steps that you can learn, but then through um, learning some of these simple techniques, you can get a little bit more accustomed to the sewing machine and just some general sewing basics that are useful to everyday life, can stretch out the life of your clothes, and get people interested in the makerspace and in entering it so that they can see all the other cool things that we have to offer as well.
For some odd reason, I've always wanted to learn some practical skills like sewing. I saw it on IC Intercom, and I thought, why not, you know? First, I learned how to make a pocket with Buzz Lightyear on it, which is very cool. And I also learned how to patch a hole. So if I'm ever on a plane and someone's like, is there anyone here who knows how to sew? I can be like, I do.
The makerspace, I guess, is a place for students to come and either learn new creative technologies or experiment with those that they might already know.
Boy, you can make so many things in the makerspace. You can come and make something super quick, like a button, or you can make a pin, or you can make a mask in 15 or so minutes, depending on how well you can sew. But we also have wire wrap jewelry and acrylic paint, so if you wanted to 3D print something and then paint it. And we have origami, paper crafts, fabric arts, laser cutter, 3D printer, and anything else that may come up that is new and innovative technology. So I think it's really important to have something like this on campus for people to be able to come and decompress after a long day, especially during a pandemic. Just having time and space to come and create.
The Makerspace staff invited me back to keep practicing and keep learning with some, teaching how to use the sewing machine more. So I'm really excited to schedule another reservation, come back, learn how to sew more.